Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back fashion lovers to another exciting episode of Fashion Forward. Today we are diving deep into the world of Satellito high heel sandals, a timeless fashion staple that continues to captivate women and fashion enthusiasts alike. Whether you are an avid Satellito lover or just starting to explore the world of high heels, you are in the right place. So it's back, relax, and get ready to learn all about the allure, history, styling, and comfort tips of the iconic Satellito sandals. First, let's take a quick walk down memory lane to discover the origins of Satellito heels. The word Satellito comes from an Italian word meaning little dagger, which perfectly captures the slam and pointed heels, sharp, elegant appearance. Satellito heels, as we know them today, become popular in the 1950s thanks to designers like Roger River, who worked with Christian Dior to introduce the modern Satellito. These heels quickly become a symbol of sophistication, power, and femininity, transforming the way women carried themselves. But what exactly makes Satellito sandals so appealing? It's not just about the height, they offer a sleek, streamlined silhouette that enhances posture, elongates the legs, and adds an element of grace to every step. Satelitos can completely elevate an outfit, taking it from casual to chic in a matter of seconds. It's no wonder they have remained a wardrobe essential for decades. Now let's talk about the different types of Satellito sandals out there. While the basic concepts remains the same, a high thin heel paired with a stylish open toe design, there's a wide variety to choose from depending on the occasion and your personal style. First, we have the classic strappy stilettos. These sandals usually feature thin strips, then warp around the foot, providing a minimalist, elegant look perfect for evening wear or more formal occasions. Strappy stilettos are a go-to option for women who want to let their footwear do the talking. Next, we have ankle strap stilettos. The extra support provided by the ankle strap makes these a little easier to wear from extended periods while still maintaining that sleek, fashionable edge. These sandals often come in various materials from glossy patent leather to comfortable, allowing for versatile styling. Then there are embellished stilettos which are perfect for making a statement. Think rhinestones, metallic accents, or bold designs that turn your shoes into the focal point of your outfit. These are perfect for parties, weddings, or any occasions where you want to stand out. And finally, there's the nude stiletto sandal, a staple for every woman's wardrobe. Nude stilettos have the magical ability to match any outfit while also elongating your legs and providing a seamless, polished look. Stiletto high heels sandals can be incredibly versatile if you know how to style them right. Let's go through some key styling tips for different occasions. For a daytime casual look, you can pair nude or natural toned stiletto sandals with a flowy sundress or a chic romper. The key here is to keep the outfit light and breezy, allowing the heels to add just the right amount of glamour without overpowering the look. Do not be afraid to mix texture. Pair your sandals with a denim jacket or a sleek oversized bag to create an effortlessly stylish ensemble. If you are heading to the office or a more formal setting, ankle strap stilettos in a black or tan are a perfect match for tailored trouser or a pencil skirt. They have elevate your professional look while still maintaining comfort and sophistication. When it comes to office fashion, the idea is to let your heels complement your outfit without drawing too much attention. Think understand elegance for a night out or a special occasion. It's time to bring out the embellished or metallic stilettos. Pair them with the sleek cocktail dress or a tailored jumpsuit to create a look that's both bold and stylish. Do not forget to add accessories, statement earrings, a cloth bag, and a bold lip color can take your outfit to the next level. The goal here is to let your shoes shine as the focal point of your ensemble. And for the fashion risk takers out there, try pairing stilettos with unexpected outfits like a pair of high waisted jeans or leather jeans. This combination gives off a modern edge, whip perfect for a trendy street style look. Remember, stilettos are not just for formal occasions, they can be incorporated into everyday look to add a touch of high fashion to even the most casual outfit. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fashion content.